Hello, Susan Raymond here from Equine Guelph, University of Guelph. I'd like to invite you to join us for a special offering of our Fire and Emergency Preparedness online course on thehorseportal.ca. We are offering this course at a special discounted rate. This one-week course will be available to you for 6 weeks from May 4th until June 30th. We have two very special guests joining us. Dr. Rebecca Gimenez-Eusted will be available to address all your questions on fire prevention and emergency preparedness. We also have equine industry leader Mike King from Capri Insurance, who will be available to address all your insurance questions, especially dealing with business sustainability. So join us on thehorseportal.ca for our special offering of Fire and Emergency Preparedness online course. Hope to see you soon online.